this shower filter from Aqua Earth. I have been wanting to get one of these for a while now, just because I've heard it's great for your skin and your hair. They were nice enough to send this over to me. Let's open it. Ooh, this is the filter set. Comes with instructions. Here are all of the parts. Here's the shower head, which looks really nice. You can move it all around. Looks like we have, oh yeah, cool. Different settings too. Here is the filter. Comes in here like that. Here is the replacement filter. It comes with Teflon tape. Looks like this is a replacement. 2 O-rings here too. Take everything out of the box so you can see. Here are all of the pieces. Very excited to try this out.